All right, today we're gonna cook pork ribeye cap. It is an absolutely amazing item. It is actually very, very unique. If you're used to the cap of a beef ribeye, that's the exact same thing that this is, except for it's pork. So it's probably the most tender, most marbled piece of pork you could possibly purchase. It's super simple to cook, very, very thin. In this recipe, we're going to highlight a couple of items that we sell at Beef Potato Company. We're gonna highlight Sun Valley mustard and Ballard Huckleberry Cheddar Cheese. We make a mustard cheddar cheese sauce to go over top the pork ribeye cap. If you're looking for the best pork you can possibly purchase, it's Salmon Creek Farms. That's what it is. That's what we serve and we sell at Beef Potato Company. The pork cap is the pinnacle of products. Very, very marbled, very, very easy to cook, usually pan-sear. You can cook them in several different ways, but this recipe is a great one to try. We have it all the time in our house.